This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in Notepad++. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Notepad++. I have Notepad++ opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in light mode, but to enable or disable dark mode, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Settings tab. You want to click on Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences and click on Preferences. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, right here is dark mode. I'm going to click on dark mode. And then off to the right here, as you can see, I am currently on light mode, but you have the option to go to dark mode, or you can simply follow whatever your Windows theme is. I'm going to toggle on dark mode. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on close. And that is dark mode. And the way that Notepad++ does it, each line that I'm working on, I'm on this top line here. Each line that I'm working on is kind of really darked out. If I go to the next line, that line is darked out. Go to the next line. That's kind of the way it does it. But that is how to enable or disable dark mode in Notepad++. Thanks for watching.